right, WMC, this is the video to find our two mini winners for the winner's choice. This is the mini. So we'll check the time August 15th at 7:37 p.m. We'll go over to the mini and type live. And we have August 15th at 7:37 p.m. There is the list of our 10 mini entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then the top two after the final roll will win spots in the main. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There is 6. All right, 6 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last and final, looking for the top two. It is Steven and Derek. So, Steven, you will have three picks in the main. Derek, you will get the remainder. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, August 15th, 7:37 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.